Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. In today's video, I am playing with Nomad Cosmetics' new palette. This is the tes De Provence palette, according to Google. I apologize for my pronunciation. I'm sure the pronunciation police will arrest me. I do my best, okay? But this is the palette. I'm super excited. Nomad is launching this palette in 4 glosses and I am so excited about them. The colors are so fun. I really enjoy Nomad and I'm just super excited for this new launch. It is launching on July 12th. I will have all of the launch details down below for you and you can use my affiliate code battybean to save an additional 10% on their site if you feel like shopping. We're gonna break it down. I'm gonna show you close-ups of the products, give you swatches, and then I will get into doing the tutorial you see right here. I have also already filmed another eyeshadow look and lip swatches for my Instagram and TikTok. The eyeshadow look should already be up by the time this video goes up, or it's coming the same day I upload this video. One just might be up before the other. And my lip swatches should be up the day after you're seeing this, or somewhat close, something like that. They are coming as well. Before we get into it, let me just give you my accessory details. These earrings are from Shop Sun & Co. I got this necklace years ago on vacation, and this wig is from insert name here. If my code is still active, you can use my code battybean to save some money. It's not an affiliate code, it's just for you to save money. Anyways, without further ado, let's just hop in and chat about these products. All right, the tes De Provence palette. I love the artwork. It is beautiful. I loved all their teaser pictures that they were doing leading up to the reveal. It's been a lot of fun. And this is what the beautiful inside looks like. I adore this color story. It is so fun and summery and just beautiful. I think this is a very fun and unique way to play with these different tones together. I love the purple and yellow columns right next to each other. That is so aesthetically pleasing to me. It's set up really well. We got the pinks, the oranges, the yellows, the blues, the purples. It's so fun. I like that they're bright, but they also have a little bit of like a muted kind of vibe to them. This is such a beautiful color story. I think this is a lot of fun, especially from them. They haven't done anything quite like this. And then we have the glosses. There are 4 glosses. They are so shiny and they have some sparkle to them and they are just so, so pretty. In order, all swatched out. And again, I apologize if my pronunciations aren't perfect. I am referring to Google and I'm doing my absolute best. We have the shades Lavender, Le Fête, Mille, and Rosé. I love these colors. Le Fête in specific is so sparkly and like icy, and I feel like this would be such a fun topper on a darker lip. I love all these colors. I think they're fun. I don't really have colors quite like this. Maybe the peachy one I have something similar to, but these 3 I don't really have specifically in my collection, and I've never tried a gloss from Nomad before, so this is really exciting. And I think that basically says it all for these products. I'm just pumped about them. I think it's a really cute collection, and I'm excited to show you how they work and how I use them. Alrighty, hello, and how is it going? I'm so excited to play with this, and I'm also so excited that this got sent to me so early because I'm literally going on vacation tomorrow. So this is the last video I'm pre-filming so I can upload it like the day I get back. That's when this palette's gonna get revealed, and I'm quite excited. This is actually not my first time playing with this palette because I filmed my Instagram video with it yesterday, actually 2 days ago, but this is still like early stages of testing it out. This is my second time playing with the palette. I am going to prime with my Sigma eyeshadow base in the shade Persuade. How are you doing today, by the way? What are you up to? Today is just catch-up day, do some last-minute YouTube stuff, do some chores, pack, things like that before we head off to New Orleans, which I will be back, I think the day this video goes up, or the day before. I come back on the 9th. I think this video is going up on the 10th. So hello, I hope you're doing well. I hope you've had a good start to your month. Okay, I'm frankly not sure what I want to do today, if I'm being quite honest with you. I think I might want to do a halo eye because I didn't do that in my Instagram video. I think that might be fun. I'm going to start with macarons right there. I'm going to take that on this Luxie brush. It's a 229. Right there, just a little blending brush. And I'm just going to start tucking it in the inner and outer part of my eye. Being careful not to drag it through the center. I think I might even leave my lower lash line center blank. Sometimes I still smoke out the lower lash line when I do a halo. I think I want to leave that blank too. Ooh, yes. This is a good color. I like it. It's a good shade. I just love how blendy their shadows are. They're so easy to work with. So like I'm not scared of plopping this red all over the place. And then I'm gonna blend it out with this orange matte. I'm just gonna use this Sigma brush. It is a Sigma E38. And again, just trying to avoid the center as much as possible. I'm just gonna use very light little swirly motions. I like to hold the end of my brush so that my pressure is very light. And I'm just going to just soften the very edge of it. Not worried about the lid right now. That will blend once I have my shimmers going on. And I also do have another shade that I want to use to deepen this up a little bit more, just to add some more drama, you know? And this is kind of where I want it to be for now. Look how soft that is. That blended super easy. Okay, so next I want to take this really dark gray. I think that might work nicely just to add a little bit of extra depth in the inner and outer corner. This is a Blend Bunny Cosmetics B3 brush. And let's just do a little tippy tap in the outer corner, you know? I don't want it to take over what I just did, but I do want to add just a little bit of extra drama right in the very inner and outer part of what I have going on. That is very pigmented though. I barely tapped in, and that is definitely pigmented. That is for sure. Ooh, little goes a long way with that one. Now I look crazy. I'm basically just gonna go back in with my previous shades. I'm starting with the red on that Luxie brush with, again, very, very light pressure. I'm using the tiniest little swirls and going right along the edge of that black, just trying to get it to flow in with the red as nicely as possible without it like completely spreading out all over the place. So I'm not going for a black smoky eye. I just wanted a little extra drama. Do you have any plans this summer? What are you up to? I don't really have any plans aside from our trip that we're going on tomorrow. Other than that, I'm basically just gonna stay inside and avoid the heat as much as possible. Going in with my orange now and doing the same thing, just going right along the edges. All right, moving on to the shimmers. I'm gonna take my little NYX glitter primer right there, and I'm just gonna take this little Odin's eye brush. It is an FR4, just a little dense brush. I'm just gonna pop some of this glitter primer all over the lid. In case you're new, I use this glitter primer with every shimmer. I just feel like it makes everything pop really nicely and stick down really well. And I've been using it for years. So it is my favorite trick. So I want the inner and outer part of my lid to be the shimmer purple, and I want the inside to be the shimmer yellow. I think that's gonna be a really cool contrast. These two shades right there. I love the way purple and yellow look together. I think it's very fun. So I'm just gonna take that purple on the same sticky brush and just kind of tippy-tapping it right in the outer corner, up really close to the edge of my crease. Just like that. I'm just kind of doing light little motions, trying to make it to where I just have a nice blank middle section, like so. And I'm gonna take my little brush that I used with the red earlier, no additional product, just to lightly buff that edge. I might even actually take a little bit of the purple on the tip of that brush and just kind of like drag a little of that in the inner and outer part of my lower lash line, because I will put some of that shimmer yellow down here as well. Ooh, I love the way purple and red look together. I think that's so pretty. And I think once I add the yellow, it's just gonna take this look to another level. All right, and now for the beautiful yellow, I'm gonna use this Unearthly Cosmetics brush. It is a 8-5. And I'm so excited for this yellow. I've actually already used this yellow. I did use it in my Instagram video, and I just love it. It's just so sparkly and so bright and beautiful. And it has such a cool shift to it. Ooh, yeah. The second I tried the shade for the first time, I was like, I need to incorporate that in a halo eye somehow, some way. Just gonna dust the very edge with one of my blending brushes. I'm just gonna grab any old pencil brush just to smudge some of this against the lower lash line in the center. It can be a little messy in the center and kind of drag down and like twinkle a little bit. I like the way that looks. Almost a little bit like it's like sparkle tears, glitter tears, whatever. That kind of vibe. I'm just gonna take my finger actually and just pop even more on the center of my lid, just to bring forth even more of that drama. I just wanna build it up like crazy. Look at that. This is a really cool look. Very sunrise vibes. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, and then for the inner corner, I am tempted to just use the yellow. So I think I will. I think I will use the yellow. I think I have to. I think it's just the cherry on top of this look is adding the different yellow elements. It is so cute. I actually don't know which gloss I'm gonna pair with this look. Might have to be the peachy one, honestly. I feel like the peachy one would just go the best, because the pink sure won't work. That would be a little chaotic in my opinion. And I don't know if the purple will be quite the right shade to complement what I chose to do. Like I think if I went with the purples and pinks, it would work. I'll play around with it. In the meantime, I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna throw on my lashes and eye pencil and something on my lips, and I'll be back when I'm complete. All right, here is my look complete. I really like how it came out. I think it's fun, it's bright and colorful. I had a good time creating this one. My lashes I'm wearing are from Noella lashes. I don't remember the style offhand. It might be Juliette. I'll have it listed down below, but it doesn't really matter because unfortunately the brand did close down. The eye pencil I threw in is this one from Colourpop. What is this even called? It's really hard to read because it's like a pale yellow with white writing. Extra Frosting. There you have it. And on my lips, I went with this little lip combo. I was trying to go with the vibes of my eyes. So I went with the Wild Apple Lip Clay from Kaleidos. I felt like it actually matched that red really, really well. And then on top, I actually did go with the purple gloss. I was like, you know, purple gloss on the reddish pinkish lip. I think it could work and I do like it. I love this purple gloss. I think it is so cute. The other ones I feel like could have been good contenders for this look, but I do like the purple on top of this red. I think it's a good vibe. So yeah, this is the look. I hope you like it as much as I do. Let's zoom out and I will just give you my thoughts on everything so far. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I just love this look. I love the look I created for Instagram. I love doing those lip swatches with the lip glosses that'll be up on Instagram soon as well. I think these glosses are fun. I think they're nice and shiny. I like the little bit of sparkle they have. Well, this one has a lot of sparkle, but the other ones just have like your normal shiny amount of sparkle. And I think they're fun. I'm excited about these colors. They definitely fit the summer vibes, that's for sure. And then the palette. I really like this palette. It's so cute. I love these colors. I think they play so nicely together. You get those beautiful, fun, summery tones, but I feel like with a little bit of a twist, you know, they have a little bit of that muted sensation, which I do enjoy a lot. And the shimmers are gorgeous. They have beautiful shifts to them. I like the level of kind of twinkliness. Like just look at the yellow on my lids. That is phenomenal. I love it. I adore Nomad's formula. I find the mattes to be so beginner friendly. So if you're new to makeup, they might be a good brand to start with because they're so buildable and blendable and so easy to work with. And I like this palette. I think it's super cute. It's a fun release for them. And I'm just happy to have it in my hands so I can continue playing with it. I would love to hear your thoughts on everything I talked about today. Are you interested in buying anything from this collection? Do you have anything from Nomad already? And if so, I'd love to know what you've tried. If you made it to the end of this video, oh, I don't know. Maybe a glass of wine emoji. I feel like that makes the most sense. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I am battybean on everything, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I'm posting most days over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye. I feel like this is the point of a look sometimes, where it's like, ooh, what is happening? That's a little frightening, but it'll pull together, trust me. A lot of the times when you're doing your makeup, it's very much a trust the process kind of situation.